Welcome back to part 2. In this session we are going to put the finishing touches of our green leaf by adding 2 emerald stones for the extra sparkle. Since we cut the thread in the previous lesson, we'll begin by securing a new lock stitch. Then move into a new row of sequins, loading 2 at a time for each stitch. Continue your embroidery as follows. Now I'm moving up to the second row. I have my 2 stones ready here, and I'm going to secure them simply using a regular sewing needle and thread. And we are done.